Good morning, dear students. Department of Physics, LIT College, Gokak. Today I will discuss about the BSc 6th semester paper 1. Paper 1 unit is first unit is the solid state physics. Okay, dear students, we are going to discuss about the solid state physics. Okay, now the importance of this topic is that is the lattice. And what is lattice? Lattice is defined as a crystal is periodic repetition of identical structural units in space. This periodic repetition is called lattice. Okay, dear students, lattice means the crystal is a periodic repetition of identical structures units in space. This periodic repetition is called a lattice. Lattice can be defined as a dimensional array of points, each of which has identical surroundings, means that is called as lattice. Okay, what is basis? Okay, lattice is clear, and second one is the basis. Okay, solid state is physics, that is the lattice and base. Okay, what is defined as the base? Okay, base is a group of atoms attached to each lattice point is called as basis. A group of atom attached to each lattice point is called as a basis, which when repeated in space form crystals. Okay, now lattice and basis are the clear. Then translation vector. Okay, a lattice in three-dimensional is defined by three fundamental translation vectors. What is A vector, B vector and C vector, such that the atomic arrangement looks the same when viewed from a point r equal to n1 A vector plus n2 B vector plus n3 C vector, where n1, n2, n3 are the integers. Okay, in two-dimensional r vector equal to n1 A vector plus n2 B vector is shown in the figure. Okay, see, this is the diagram, that is the lattice three-dimensional defined three fundamental translation vector, A vector, B vector and C vector, that is the atomic arrangement look like the viewed of the point. Okay, what is unit cell? This is the very important in examination in 2 marks. Okay, unit cell is the cell is the smallest volume which when repeated in all directions gives the crystals. The three edge means, see here this diagram, the three edge A, B, C along the axis and angle between alpha, beta and gamma is termed as lattice, that is the parameters. Alpha, beta and gamma are the lattice parameters. A, B, C are the three edges of axis of the angle between alpha, beta and gamma parameters. In 3D is better to consider parallelepiped as a unit cell, that is the 3D it is better to consider parallelepiped as a unit cell. Okay, unit cell is clear, and the smallest volume which is the direction gives the crystal. Okay, next one is the types of unit cell. Okay, there are two types of the unit cell. One is the primitive cell and non-primitive unit cell. Okay, first one is the primitive. The unit cell having only one lattice point per unit cell in it is called primitive cell. Primitive cell means that is the only one lattice point per unit cell is called the primitive cell. Second one is the non-primitive unit cell. The unit cell having more than one lattice point per unit cell in it is called non-primitive cells. Okay, see here diagram only, but the primitive cell means that is the only one lattice points per unit cell is called the primitive cell. Non-primitive cell is the having unit cell having a more than one lattice. That is the point for unit is called the non-primitive cell. Okay. There is the important on the examination body centered cube, that is the BCC. Okay, very important in examination, body centered cube structures, BCC. Now I call the BCC. The body centered cube has 8 corner atoms and 1 atom at the center. Each corner atom contribute 1/8 to unit cell, and center atom has 8 nearest atoms. Means each corner means corner atoms, 8 corner atoms, 1 atom at the center. Each corner atom contribute means 1/8 to unit cell, and center atom has 8 nearest atom. Number of atoms per unit cell, that is equal to 8 atoms into 1/8, means corner atom plus 1 center atom equal to 2. Coordination number, that is equal to 2, or coordination number is equal to 8. Now see here this diagram. Okay, it is a lattice constants, then atomic radius, that is the atomic radius r equal to root of 3a divided by 4. That is the atomic packing fraction, means the volume of atom divided by volume of unit cells. Okay, atomic packing fraction equal to 2 into 4/3 into 4 pi r cube divided by a cube. That is the 4 pi r cube is the relation, means that is the okay, that is the lattice constants, then atomic radius r equal to a by 2, then the atomic packing fraction, volume of the atoms divided by volume of unit cell. Atomic packing fraction equal to 1 into 4/3 into 4 pi r cube divided by a cube. That is the atomic packing fraction formula. Okay, that is the 52.6% of the atomic packing fractions. Okay, atomic packing fraction 2 into 4/3, 4 into 4 pi r cube divided by a cube equal to 8/3 pi into root of, that is the atomic radius, that is the r equal to root of 3a divided by 4. Okay, now equation put into 8/3 into root of 3a divided by 4 into 3 whole cube divided by a cube equal to 8/3 pi cube root of 3 divided by 64 into a cube divided by a cube, that is equal to root of 3 divided by 8 pi equal to 0.68 equal to 68%. Okay, this is the BCC or BCC, body center cube structure. Okay, now face center cubic structure, that is the FCC. Okay, BCC, B means this is the wrong printing mistake, that is the FCC. BCC first is the body center cube, face center cube is FCC structures. Okay, the face centered cube has 8 cornered atoms and 6 atoms at the center of each. Each corner contribute 1/8 to unit cell, and each atom at the center of the face contribute 1/2 to unit cell, and center atom, the center of this face has 12 nearest atom. Number of atoms per unit cells equal to 8 atoms into 1/8 corner of atom. Coordinate number equal to 12. It means that is the 8 corner cells and middle at the 6 atom of the center of each face. Okay, it is lattice constant, then the atomic radius, that is the r equal to root of 2a divided by 4. Atomic packing fractions, volume of atom divided by volume of unit cell, that is the atomic packing fraction, that is the root of 2 divided by 6 pi equal to 0.674 equal to 74%. percent. This is the BCC and FCC. Okay, write a note on BCC and FCC, or explain the BCC structure and FCC structure. Okay, now I will stop it.